Hi, welcome to Steady Learning. Today we will be looking at some idioms. An idiom is a phrase that we use in a sentence to mean something different from its literal meaning. Today's idioms are color inspired. I hope you've guessed it. It's the color red. This is part 1 of the series. So let's begin. Our first idiom is to see red. Does it mean I see the color red everywhere I go? No, it means to be angry. Let's look at the sentences. I saw red when the man broke my watch. What I really want to say is, I got angry when the man broke my watch. Second sentence, I see red every time I lose a game. What this means is that I get angry every time I lose a game. Our second idiom is to paint the town red. What does it mean? It means to have a great time. Let's look at the examples. The boys painted the town red after winning the match. What it really means is that the boys had a great time, an enjoyable time after winning the match. Our second sentence says, we will paint the town red on New Year's Eve. What it really means is we will have a great time, an enjoyable experience on New Year's Eve. Shall we move further? The next idiom is red hot, which means to be in high demand. You see this idiom often on online platforms. Let's look at some examples. There is a red hot sale of jackets on Amazon. What it means is that there is a high demand for jackets on Amazon. Similarly, look at sentence 2. I have red hot news about the examinations, which means that you have some news which is very popular or important related to the examinations. Let's move forward. Catch red-handed. This means to catch while someone is doing the action. Let's look at the examples. The police caught the thief red-handed stealing from the shop. Do you observe that the person who did the act is between the words caught and red-handed, which means whoever has done the action should be in the middle and the person who caught them should be in the beginning. So the police caught the thief while that person was stealing from the shop. Look at example 2. The mother catches her son red-handed whenever he returns late. What it means is that the mother does the act of catching her son every time he comes home late. I hope that's clear. Let's move forward. Our next idiom is the red carpet treatment. What it means is to give someone or get special treatment. Look at the examples. My friend was given the red carpet treatment on standing first in class. What this means is that my friend was given special treatment when he or she achieved coming first in class. Look at the second one. Our Prime Minister gets the red carpet treatment in every program. Because the Prime Minister is an important personality, he or she always receives special treatment in any event, anywhere. To have a look at the review exercise. There are 5 sentences and each of them fits only one of the idioms that we have done today. So have a look at the sentences. I'm sure you did well. Let's have a look at the answers. My mother painted the town red on her wedding anniversary. Because of her wedding anniversary, the mother had a great time. The Bollywood actress was given the red carpet treatment at the Oscars. Because she is a celebrity, she received special treatment. Jaipur is a red-hot destination for tourists. It's popular, it's in high demand, and that is why Jaipur is a red-hot destination. My friend saw red after being cheated by his boss. Obviously, anybody who's cheated can feel angry. The kidnapper was caught red-handed by the police. Yes, when you commit a crime, you are surely caught red-handed by the police. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, bye-bye.